Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. If you are looking for simple yet creative ways to transform your living space, you are in the right place. Today I've got a collection of clever home hacks that will make your daily life easier and more organized. And now let's get started. Heading on a trip and not sure where to pack your toothbrushes? How about this idea? Take a glove and put a toothbrush in each finger. There are 4 people in my family, so there is even room left for a small tube of toothpaste. Then just roll up the glove and you can toss it in your toiletry bag or straight into your suitcase. For this home idea I'll need a photo frame and any small glass container. I am using an old spice jar. Next, I prepare a small piece of string and a black sheet of paper. I place the paper so that it shows through the frame window. Then I mark where I want the holes to go, and now it's time to punch those holes and attach the jar. I glue the black sheet to the base of the frame, and it's done! You can place dried, fresh or artificial plants inside and put the frame on a flat surface or hang it on the wall. Simple, affordable and stylish. My whole life I wrapped a towel around myself like this after a shower. I drop it around and tuck the end in. And what usually happens? That's right, one wrong move and the towel falls to the floor. Recently I discovered this genius method. First wrap the towel around yourself as usual, then twist it like this. And if you really want to be sure, you can twist it one more time. Now you can jump, run or dance, the towel will stay snugly in place. If you find this tip useful, please give this video a like. If you have a leftover piece of lemon and want to store it without it drying out, try this idea. Take a plastic lid from a cheap can or something similar. Make 2 small slits on the sides and thread a rubber band through. And voila! Your DIY organizer is ready. Now just cover the lemon with the lid and pop it in the fridge. If you don't want to leave your toothbrush on the sink, but there is nowhere else to put it, try this trick. Take a paper cup, punch a hole in it and place the toothbrush inside. This idea is especially handy when you are traveling and staying in a hotel. We are all used to the convenience of fitted sheets, but what about regular ones? Let me show you how to quickly and easily make your bed with a regular sheet. First tuck the edge under the mattress like this. Then pull the corner out and tuck this side down. After a little practice, you will see that it's easy and quick to make your bed this way, and it looks much tidier. Trash cans don't always smell the best. But what if you took these protective pads, usually used to keep chair legs from scratching the floor, and added a drop of your favorite essential oil? Just drop some oil on the pad and you've got a DIY air freshener. The pad has a sticky side, so it's easy to attach to the inside of the trash can lid. Now, every time you open the lid, the trash can will smell much nicer. We all have those days when we need to clean up but just don't feel like it. Try this simple but effective trick. Tell yourself you are just going to put away 25 items. You don't have to do more if you don't want to. Of course, the number can be anything you like. The key is that you'll have a clear, manageable goal that only takes a little time, but the impact is noticeable. If you put away 25 items every day and don't add more to the mess, you'll create a tidy home step by step, easily motivating yourself to start. My life will never be the same after I learned how to get beautiful chip-free nails at home. All I need is the Maniko starter kit and it's super easy. Let me show you how I do it. This Maniko kit includes everything I need. 4 gorgeous nail designs, a remover pen and a UV lamp. I can now create perfect nails without going to the salon. I start by pushing back my cuticles with a little wooden stick from the kit. Then I clean my nails with the alcohol pad to make sure they are free of oil and dirt. Next, I am choosing the right size gel strip for each nail. If I am unsure, I always pick the smaller one. I place this strip in the middle of my nail and smooth it down to the edges, making sure it doesn't touch the cuticles. After that, I fold the extra under my nail and gently file it off, always filing in one direction for a clean finish. Then I use the UV lamp to cure my nails for 60 seconds. The lamp shuts off automatically, and I repeat the process for my thumbs. And just like that, gorgeous, durable nails in 10 minutes that last for weeks without chipping. I leave the link for Maniko in the description box below. The labels on clothing give instructions on how to wash them, and while some of the basic symbols are familiar to everyone, sometimes it's hard to know what they mean. Let's do a little test. Who knows what this symbol means? And how about this one? Leave your answers in the comments below. I'm definitely not an expert on these tricky symbols. That's why I go to canva.com, search for laundry, and download this useful, well-designed cheat sheet. You can print it in any size you like. I keep mine near the washing machine, like in this box. Or maybe you'd want to stick the poster directly on the wall, like I did with Office Putty. Or put it in a frame next to your washer. This cheat sheet is a perfect example of functional home decor. Did you know you can decorate plain white dishes yourself? All you need is a pencil, ceramic markers, carbon paper, scissors and tape. Tape the design under the carbon paper to the mug and trace the outline with the pencil. The design will transfer onto the surface and you can color it in with ceramic markers. Let the design dry for 15 minutes. Then place it in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Let the dishes cool in the oven and you are done! I made this mug and this plate. This idea is great for a kid's birthday party where everyone can get creative and decorate a dish to take home as a keepsake. And the question of the day is this: what idea from today's video did you like the most? If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!